Hello and welcome. It's Julie Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a little bit of an experiment today. I'm going to be using these gorgeous colours on these canvases to I'm just going to let you watch it because it's a really nice, slow and relaxing. Well, it's a quick video, but it's relaxing because I was actually just in, the zone, pouring my paint and seeing what kind of effects I could get. So I actually do a couple of different techniques on here to see which works best. But what it actually does is it shows you that if you're doing one technique and it's not working, switch it up or switch it down and try a different technique. Now, I'm using all global impasto paints. The link for the supplier in Australia, Capriol Shabby Chic, is underneath the video in the description box, and there is also a link for my Amazon site in the US and Canada and UK, which I'm pretty sure that the global paints are on there too. So these were just some yummy colours in purple and lilacs, and that sort of greeny fluoro yellow is actually called pear. So I was just having a merry old time seeing what I could achieve. I'll let you watch and I'll jump right in when I feel I need to. Enjoy. wait for it, wait for it. Oh! I loved that. I love that moment when you turn it over and it is very pretty. But looking at it now over this, it is nowhere near as bright as it is. So that's a bit disappointing. You can see how bright the colours are in my colour cups there. But why it's not showing up nice and bright on this. But anyway, it is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, I have to gillify it. So I'm just whizzing over it now with the heat gun. I was happy Jan, I'm happy Jan. Whizzing over with the heat gun, which just basically bursts any air bubbles and, it helps cells if that's what you so require. But as you see, no cells in this very much at all. So there you go. It was just a plain, simple dip after the try. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye for now.